Come back here, Mitchell.
So it's the middle circle that you press to start.
Okay.
And you can tell it's rolling when the seconds. Mitchell, dear, come here, please. I'm going to take a picture of you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Click. Oh, it didn't work. I didn't take a picture of you. I think it's taking a video. What do you want? Take a what? Take a taxi?
Not yet.
Where do you want to go? Where? Do you want to take a bus? A car? How about a train? Take a train? How about take a helicopter? Take an ambulance? Copter. Take a helicopter? Take a fire engine? Yeah. Take a bus. How about a spider? Want to take a spider? Silly mama. Yes. Take a boat? Here, why don't you finish your boat puzzle? I'll help you. Boat. Where's the rest? Boat.
Oh, not this.
Okay.
Not the computer, sorry.
Oh, there's the boat. Put the boat puzzle together.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't like the boat as much as the vehicles with wheels, do you? What's that?
Racing car? Is it a racing car, darling? What is this? There's one more.
Is it a fire engine? No. What is it?
No, I don't think so. See? Hey, you.
Is that an ambulance? That's right, ambulance. Okay. What do the wheels on the bus do? Go. The wheels on the bus go around and around. The children on the bus say, I... Oh, yeah. I love you. Yes, I do. All right, here you go, bub. Let's watch.